When is the best time of day to exercise? Hello, and welcome to the Small Steps Daily Show. I am your host, Nurse Kristen. And in this show, I talk about evidence based steps for making changes that stick in 3 to 5 minutes or less. We've all had short term changes in our health before, but how do we get those changes to last longer? And that is what this show is all about. And today's episode is all about tapping into your rhythm. And tapping into your rhythm is really figuring out what time of day would work best for your healthy habits. We all have our own natural rhythms and are all going to have energy and motivation to do certain activities at different times of the day. So, what time of the day works best for you? To figure out what time of the day works best for you, it's really important to explore when you feel the most energized and when you feel the most relaxed during the day. Are you a morning person? The morning tends to be a time when our cortisol levels are higher. And cortisol is a hormone that helps our body make us feel like we want to get up and go. And this is why, for most people, the morning tends to be a time where we have higher motivation. And so, this is a great time of day to check things off your list, squeeze in some quick movement, such as going for a morning jog or maybe lifting some weights. For me, I have a lot of energy in the morning. So most days I get up and I feel really creative. So this is the time of day where I work on things like this, the Small Steps Daily Show. I also carve out 20 to 30 minutes most mornings for kettlebells, and I carve out time to meditate. Are you an afternoon person? Many people say that they have peak muscular strength between 2 and 6 p.m. And for this reason, it works best to stop at the gym on the way home from work or to change into workout clothes when they get home from work. So if this sounds like you, dedicating some time for exercise before you relax for the night might work best for your rhythm. This routine can really serve great as a transition from your work routine to your home routine. You can just walk right through your door, get into some exercise clothes, and do a few minutes of movement before you start scrolling through your social media feed. This can also be a great way to burn off any steam or stress that you're feeling from the workday so you can actually relax when you're at home. Are you more of a night owl? The night is a time when our bodies naturally release a hormone called melatonin. And melatonin is a hormone that helps us go to sleep. So the evening can be a great time to start incorporating things into your day that help you slow down and maybe reframe any of that negative chatter that's clogging our minds from the day. So this could be a great time to do things like reading a book, calling a friend, doing some meditation, stretching, reflecting on your day, and maybe thinking about things that you're grateful for that happened during the day. The important thing here is to really find your rhythm and find out what feels right for you. One of the best ways to be successful with adding in more healthful habits to your day is to find a time that works best for you and to do what is right for your flow and your natural rhythm. So just because I lift weights and meditate in the morning doesn't mean that that's when you have to do those things. I found a time that works best for me and my rhythm, so that's what I do. Today's small step. What is your natural rhythm? When is the best time of day for you to add in more healthy habits? Really one of the most important things here is to respect your rhythm and to really start to pay attention when you feel most energized. Is there a way that you could add in some minutes of movement during the day when you feel the most energized? Could you add in relaxing habits when you're feeling more restful? A critical part of making a new healthy habit stick is to enjoy that feeling of reward once you finish something. Our motivation is going to go in waves. And when you start something new, oftentimes our motivation is high. So use that motivation, use it to start incorporating a new healthy habit into your day. And once you practice your new habit for a few days, it will begin to feel more easy. And this is going to be really helpful on those days when your motivation is low. But by finding what time of day things feel right for you and bending your life around your rhythm, things will become to be more automatic and you're going to really be able to form new healthy habits that stick. Tune in to the next episode of Small Steps Daily for another episode on how to help you take small steps to create those healthy habits that stick. And to learn more about me, Nurse Kristen, and how I can help you create healthy habits that stick, check out my website, www.nursekristen.org, to learn more about me, my services, and my coaching.